Coding agents are everywhere. You unturn a stone and you will find a coding agent underneath. Every coding agent reads a pile of junk into context before it answers. Tool outputs, logs, file reads, all of it costs token and crowds out the model's thinking room. Headroom, the tool which you are looking at on your screen, sits between your agent and the model and compresses that before it lands. Same answers, fraction of the tokens, it is local, it is Apache licensed, and unlike everything else in this space, the good thing is that it is reversible. Hold that thought for a moment. Let's get it installed. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please consider becoming a member if you want to help out the channel. I'm going to use this Ollama based model as you can see here, which is already running on my system. You can use it with any OpenAI based system. It is running at the moment on this GPU on my Ubuntu system. The installation is very simple. First, I'm just going to create a virtual environment with Conda, and then I'm going to install the Headroom. And now let me install Headroom with all the options. While that runs, let's talk a bit more around this model because that takes a bit of a time to get installed. And here is why it seems that it is going to work. Especially it is going to help three stages. Cache aligner in Headroom keeps your prompt prefix stable, so the provider cache keeps hitting. Content router reads each thing your agent feeds the model and sends it to a compressor built for that type. JSON code or log, so it keeps signatures and errors and drops the noise. Intelligent context scores every message and keeps what matters. It is content aware, not dumb truncation. That is why seems like the numbers might be true, but I really don't believe blindly on these numbers on the websites or even in the GitHub repos. That is why we are going to install it locally and we are going to test it out with Ollama based model. And by the way, if you're looking to rent a GPU, just like I showed you, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Also, recently I have started this free weekly AI newsletter, which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. So you can see that everything is now installed. First thing, I'm going to run a quick health check to confirm the routing is working. Then I'm going to start the proxy, which is this Headroom, and I'm going to use Hermes agent in order to point to it. Once that's wired up, we run a real task and watch the tokens drop. And Hermes will of course be tied up to our Ollama based model. If you don't know how to do that, just go to my channel, search with Hermes with Ollama, and you should be able to find out how to integrate both of those. And you can simply do that health check by running this Headroom doctor. Let's run this. And there you go. It is showing me one failure here. And that is kind of expected because all it is telling you is the proxy isn't running yet. So the health check has nothing to talk to. And the warnings are just Claude and Codex not being fired, which we really don't care about since we are on Hermes. So don't worry about it. Let me clear the screen and let's now check out this where we are just running this proxy at port 8787. And it was fairly quick. Let me scroll up. There you go. So you see it has started that proxy and then it is now all set up on our local host. I will let proxy run in this terminal. Let's go to another one. And here you would just need to point your Hermes agent to this base URL, which is primarily our new proxy, which is Headroom, and that is done. And if you want to test out if everything is wired up correctly, you can see that I am calling that endpoint and the Ollama model has just responded to me with all the metadata and everything. So Headroom is now configured, proxy is working. We are talking to our Ollama based model via this Headroom proxy. Now, as an example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this local application which has few bugs scattered around, and I'm going to use this Hermes in order to find some bugs. Let's first do it without compression. And by the way, it really shines through when you use some API based models where you are actually spending some dollars, but just to show you how exactly this thing is working. So for example, I'm asking it to read the backend and front end and find the bug. Let's see how it comes back with. And if I just take you above, you will see that it is now triggering that headroom retrieval. And the Hermes has come back, and you can see that the model was able to fix all of the bugs. But what is more important is this. Let me quickly show you two things around this headroom. So look at this section. This is where headroom did its job. Look at these headroom underscore retrieve calls right after the file reads. That is the whole mechanism. When Quen read the backend and front end files in this buggy application, Headroom compressed them going into the model instead of dumping the raw files into the context. And then when the model wanted the full text, it simply used its own retrieved and pulled the original back. Nothing lost, just held compressed until it's actually needed. Now let me show you the context bar here to show you one more thing. So if you look at this context bar at the bottom, you can see it says 39.5K slash 65.5K. This is how much of the model's context window got used. Without headroom, all those raw files reads would land in their full size and push that number way up. And we have seen that happening in various other videos where we have tested it without any compression or proxy. Headroom in this case has compressed them going in, so the same 5 files, 4 bugs and full verification all fit inside 40K instead of blowing past it. That lower number is Headroom's work. So I'm quite impressed by this tool. Still, I think a long way to go, and the real advantage would be when you are using the API based models, because that is where the real pain lies. There you are built for every token that goes in, so compressing all those file reads, logs and tool outputs before they hit the model isn't just freeing up the context, it's cutting your bill on every single call. The bigger and chattier your agent, the more it saves, and on paid endpoints that shows up as real money, not just a smaller number. And we can see that with all these fables and mythos and even GLM 5.2 and everything, the cost is really getting higher. And with these reasoning chain of thought stuff, our API bill is only increasing. And I think tools like these are quite necessary, and because it just compresses the context as we just saw. So look, local or API based, Headroom does the same job. It keeps everything your agent reads lean on the way in. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. We have also covered various other similar tools. So if you are using any other tool, let me know. Happy to chat about it. And if you want to help out, please become the member of the channel. Thank you for all the support.